Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, blind spot monitor, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 IS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.